Okay, go ahead.
Anakin Skywalker's movie. It's about Anakin floating in the air and using himself as force. In action!
Okay, come on.
Yeah. Come on!
Alright, there he is.
And then I'll do another video.
Okay. Well, wait. Okay, we'll fix that later. Let's keep getting this video, though. Okay, just leave that there. Alright, now. Oh, here he goes. He's using the force.